will give us our parabola. We'll see our next problem. A thin rectangular plate of side 60 by 30 has its shorter side in the HP and it is inclined at 45 degree with HP, and side on which it rests makes an angle of 30 degree to the VP. We need to draw the projections of a plane. It's been seen that in this paper there are basically 3 projection of plane question has been asked, so that you must prepare projections of plane very clearly. It can be asked many times, and it is very calculative and very easy if you know the better positions. First of all, we will see how we can proceed further. As we all know that this projection of plane is a 3-stage program. First of all, we will draw a XY line. Now we have got this 60 by 30 rectangular plate. Shorter side is resting in the HP, so we will draw a 60 mm, 30 mm vertical line, and perpendicular to it we will draw a line of 60 mm. Perpendicular to it, we are going to draw a line of 60 mm on both the side. Name it as A, B, C and D. This is our stage 1. We'll see that these projections to be extended towards the XY line. So we will get A dash, D dash and B dash, C dash. Marking it darker. So this is our initial position. Now we will proceed further to the stage 2, in which we will incorporate angle with HP, which has been given as 45 degrees. Angle with HP is given as 45 degrees. Marking a random point on XY line, making a reference line at 45 degrees. Making a reference line at 45 degrees. We need to take the projections of this A dash B dash line. This we need to take the projections. So to take these projections at this 40 mm 45 degrees line, I need to take this arc as radius A dash to B dash, marking an arc. So we have got A double dash, D double dash, B double dash and C double dash. In stage 2 we will take projections downside. Matching with the horizontal projections. joining these lines as respected point intersects A, B, C and D. You can see that the size has been changed as this angle is tilted at 45 degrees. Now we will proceed to the stage 3. We will proceed to the stage 3, in which we will incorporate angle with VP that's been given as 30 degrees. We'll mark a random line at 30 degrees. We'll mark a line at 30 degrees. Now we need to take this replica of stage 2 in this stage 3 angle with VP position. So we need to take the respective arcs first of all. First of all, we will project this AD line on this. So I am marking a point D first of all. Then taking AD as radius and this D as center. AD as radius and this D as center. I have got AD on this line. We can see that these lines are perpendicular, so we need to draw perpendicular line from these two A and D as well. We will draw perpendicular lines like this. We have got A and D. Now from this we will get AB and CD. This is AB and this is CD. We will join these lines with the darker lines. Naming it as BC. We have taken the replica of this stage 2 in stage 3 at 30 degrees angle. Now we need to take the vertical projections which we will incorporate with this 45 degree line. We will take vertical projections from each of the point A, B and C, D. This one is A, B, C and D. Now taking the projections horizontally, matching it with their respective corners. A will connect to the B point, D will connected to the C point, and all will connected to each other. That's B triple dash, A triple dash, D triple dash and C triple dash. So in the problem it's been asked that the shorter side is resting on the HP. So you can see that our shorter side is AD, which is now resting on the XY line, and the remaining are in the respective with the angle with HP is 45 degrees and angle with VP is 30 degrees. So this would be our final product. We will see again how we can do these projections of a plane. First of all, it's a three-stage process. Initial position would be stage 1. In any of the projection of plane, we need to take the initial position first of all. If we have been given the pentagonal disc, then we need to draw a pentagon over here. Over here, we've been given a plate. So shorter side is resting on HP, which will be vertical. If any of the side is resting on HP, so it would be coming in the vertical position, so that initially it can landed on XY. We have drawn shorter side as AD, then longer side as AB and CD, taking its projections on the XY line. We have got A dash D dash B dash C dash, first position. In the stage 2, we'll incorporate this with the angle with HP. The angle with HP is given as 45 degrees. So we need to take this plan at 45 degrees angle. For that, first of all, we have drawn a reference line of 45 degrees and marking and points respectively. Now again, we have taken the vertical projections and we have got the stage 2 diagram. In the stage 3, we will be putting angle with VP in position as well, so it can be merged together. So we have done the replica of this stage 2 over here, taking the vertical positions above side, and we have got this angle. In the example, it has been shown that the shorter side is resting on the HP, which means that it's on the XY line. So this is our final outcome product. So this is how we can solve an question paper. Please make sure that you mention all the proper dimensioning. You need to read the question paper carefully, and if you are the Gujarati student and you want to appear into Gujarati medium, then also English medium paper would be authentic. So make sure that you are also reading the English paper also. So this is the end of our question paper of July 2010. We will see you next time. Thank you very much.